Good morning, Sheru. How are you? Say hello to everyone. See, it's raining. I told you the weather is not good to go outside. Good morning, lovely people. Welcome back to my channel. Well, last time I made a cat's flap. If you haven't seen that clip, do go and watch it and let me know what you think about it. Today I'm working on my curtains, and I fixed the curtains already before the Christmas, and I made a clip of it, but unfortunately I can't find that clip anywhere. But doesn't matter. This part is the most important part, which I'm gonna do today. So let me show you what I'm trying to do. Right, these are my curtains. Right, at the top of each curtain there is a frill to go, which is like this. Okay, this is a separate piece which will go in the middle, and this is the side one. So my plan is to make a square frame and put it at the top of that frame, so I can put all these frills on it. Right, this is what I did. I put 4 supports here. 1, 2, this is the third one, and the fourth one is in the corner. And all these sheets which I have cut, I'm gonna just put them here on, from this sheet to this sheet, and from this sheet to this sheet, and then from that sheet to that sheet. Hopefully everything will be good. The curtain will move smoothly. Yeah, so let's do it. Okay, so this is how I have put it. And I'm gonna put the curtains on it. This part is done as well. Look at that. All right, beautiful. Right, because that cloth is folded like 2-3 times, so the staplers are not holding it. So what I need to do is to stitch it with needle. So I'll be back in a minute. And it looks like this when you open them. Okay, one curtain is done, and I need to do the other one, which is behind me. I'm gonna change slightly the plan. I'm gonna cut 2 full pieces of the sheet because I don't have one complete. So I'm gonna cut 2 pieces of them and try to put them together instead of 5 pieces. In that curtain I have put 5 small pieces, and at top of that I put a cardboard so I could staple my curtain. So this time the plan is to cut only 2 pieces and put them together. So let's do it. Right, to put this sheet as a frame there, I need to take out the full frame. Right, the mission is failed. I couldn't put this sheet on the railing. It was supposed to go like this, and I was supposed to put nails from underneath into that sheet, but I couldn't hold this sheet with my one hand, and then I needed one hand to put the screw in, and then I was drilling, but the screw kept falling off. So I am really tired now, so I'll do something about this. Either I'm gonna cut them in small pieces and then put them single like I did of that side. I have used the cardboard in the middle. I think I'm gonna do the same thing again. Because of this bad weather, Shiru is asleep. Are you asleep? Right guys, both sides have been done. I went to B&Q today and bought this new stapler because the stapler I had was with small pins. It was not holding the curtains, so I had to spend some money on this. Okay, so this is it, how it will look when the curtains are closed. And this is how it will look when the curtains are open. Yeah! Beautiful! So I am really very happy that I have set my curtains, and the problem is I was unable to find anyone to set my curtains. So, and then previously in the past I was told that it's your house, you have to do everything yourself. So that thing have trained me a lot, that I shouldn't be depending on anybody, I should be doing everything myself. So I try to do as much as I can. Where I can do, I will do it. Same thing I will advise you all, and this advice is for ladies especially, that don't be a woman needs a man. Be a woman a man needs. Yay! On this note, I will end my clip here. And I hope to see you soon in my next video. Till next time, you look after yourself. Bye-bye.